Following a sharp plunge on Monday, the US stock market has clicked into gear. The benchmark stock indexes have climbed nearly 1.5% each. With such rapid growth, US stocks have regained losses incurred on Monday almost in full. Now experts believe that the logical scenario would be a new attempt to conquer fresh all-time highs. It's a realistic scenario. Watch our video review on our channel till the end. S&P 500 opened this trading week in the red. The index tumbled to a large degree amid massive selling in financial markets around the world. The downturn came on the back of overbought market conditions because markets had not developed any notable correction over the last 2 months. However, we see that today markets have picked up after the slump. The S&P 500 is again trading at about 4,320. The medium-term forecast for the instrument is moderately bullish. The uptrend that has been going on for 7 months straight is still valid without any signs of a reversal. The index is expected to trade above 4,340 this session. At the same time, the US dollar index, which measures the greenback's strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, is approaching slowly but surely the highest level of the year. The index now stands at 93.10 and its nearest target is seen at 93.40. The main catalyst for the US dollar's advance is the same. Market participants are cementing expectations that the US Fed will have to tighten monetary policy as a countermeasure against runaway inflation in the United States. The market is looking forward for policy decisions of the US regulator next week. Today, the USD CAD pair is trading at near 1.2720. The expected corridor for the pair is between 1.2650 and 1.2780. Earlier, the Canadian dollar faced resistance at about 1.28. The looney's weakness was escalated by declining oil prices. Currently, oil prices look feeble, especially compared to a robust recovery of stock markets after a plunge on Monday. The most probable scenario for the USD CAD pair is a downward retracement. The crypto market has eventually entered into a modest upward correction. Yesterday, Bitcoin did not stay below the psychological level of $30,000 for long, though a lot of analysts were braced for the worst scenario. What prompted a sharp bounce of Bitcoin price? Apparently, it's the news that a large investor purchased digital tokens to the amount of $1 billion on July 17 and 18. As soon as the news spread over the mass media, other crypto traders decided to follow suit quickly, though with a small amount. Now the number one cryptocurrency is trading at around $31,500 per token. On the other hand, there is no other catalyst for Bitcoin's strength. All in all, it's projected to remain in the range of 30,000 to 31,000. Evidently, market participants are sitting on the sidelines of the US Fed's policy meeting that will take place next week. The most popular speculations is that the Federal Reserve will maintain ultra-loose monetary policy, though it could be the wrong prediction. Meanwhile, the US stock market is likely to try conquering new highs. You are watching Market News on InstaForex TV channel. See you tomorrow.